Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, Beautiful Natural Makeup. For short, you can call me Ruby. Welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today, you guys, I have some product here. I got these product from somebody in Canada here. I am going to show you what I got. So if you want to see, please stay tuned. So this product was sent to me here in Canada. I am going to list the person email. The person that I got these products from, they sell makeup, hair product, braids, and all these things. The first one I have here, and this is from Sigma, and is the Caro de Rose, something like that, eyeshadow palette. This is it, you guys. So I am going to open it. I haven't used this eyeshadow palette yet, and I always wanted to try out Sigma, so now I got it. And these are the color. It comes with plastic overhead. Also have a mirror down here, and these are the color, you guys. So I also got a brush in the eyeshadow palette. And you know, Sigma brush, they are very, very good. And the brush that I got here is the E58 Define Crease brush. So this is the brush. These are the color of the eyeshadow here. So I am going to swatch this one. Wow, that's a matte. And also this one is also a matte color. Wow, look at this. These are beautiful. And this one is also another color, which is really nice. And then I also got this here. Look at this, you guys. And I'm going to swatch this one also. So I'm not gonna swatch everything, but there is some of them that I am willing to swatch. And these are color here and the back of my hand that I swatch from this Sigma eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette, it all come with name, you guys. I am going to do a look from this eyeshadow palette very, very soon. And I am going to use the brush also. I got this cheek blush also with 6 in it from Sigma. Person that bought these makeup and bring them to me, she's selling them, so that's what it is. And these are the colors. So bronzer, I got blush. This is a really nice peach color blush, and also this one here. These are matte, you guys, very nice color, matte. So this is the blush that I got. It comes with a plastic and it also has a mirror down here, my friend. I also got some brush from the person, and these are the 3 brush that I got. And you know, I always wanted to try their product. Here I got 3 brush come into this here. And then this one is the E25 blending brush, cool. And then this one is also E55 eyeshadow brush. And then this one is also a large angle contour brush. So I got these 3 from the person also, with the one in the eyeshadow. So I also got this, and this is really glamour. This is really a nice lipstick. Look at it, come in this. And this is also the color, you guys, that I got in this. So I have to do a look using this eyeshadow and this blush and everything, you guys, I got. This is it. It's like a really shine lip glass, and it also have a small mirror, and it also, this is a mirror. Then I also got this. This is from Sigma, and this is something to clean. It's a brush cleaning mat. So this is it. I think you take it out of the package and you put it in your sink wherever you wash your brush, and then after you do that, then you just, there's some things on the bottom here. Let's show you. This is it. And you put this down on the bottom and then you wash your brush on this side here. This is cool, very cool. And then I also got this in it. This is like, I don't know if what this is, or just telling you how to do it, like the instruction. It's a Sigma Spa Express. So this is what I got. Really happy for these products, you guys. I also got this, which is Pure Lemon Berry Goodies Triple Butter Skin Hair and Body Butter Cream. So you can use this. It is a body hair butter cream, and this, you guys, this smells so really nice. Like, look at this. It is so nice. Oh my god, I messed it up, but this is it, you guys. Smell really good. It smells like really lemon, and it's very thick. You put this on your skin, but I wouldn't put it in my hair. I prefer to put it on my skin. So these are the product that I got from here in Canada that was sent to me by somebody. As I said, the person sell a lot of beauty product and they bought them and sell them. So this was what this smells so good, you guys. So this was what I got from the person. So I am showing you them, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please turn on notification bell that when I upload a video, you can be informed. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.